Oh,
This is us in Taiwan, walking through the flood. Walking through the flood. Walking through the flood. This is us. Walking through. This is 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock a.m.
2 o'clock. Over there.
Where? Oh, 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. We are here.
Scooter place.
This is where all the scooters are to get away from the flood. Because it's all flooded down there. And this is what we're walking in. And it's a lot worse. It's a lot worse where we're going.
They should mimic the reporter.
Okay, go, Mr. Reporter. Go ahead.
Do it in English.
Go.
Chinese is okay.
Do it in Chinese.
I'll be the camera person holding the umbrella for the camera person. That didn't make sense.
This is Jerry. Go, Jerry. Tell us what the weather report's like.
Ready?
今天天气很特别，你觉得怎么样？
Ready?
Yeah.
记者
You know, in some of places, they'll use a fan.
Yeah, make it work.
To blow the reporter. And then be like really extreme, like crazy.
Okay, Laurel, English.
Back to you, Stan. I really don't know how to do
So you have
that.
to do 1, 2, 3.
I know, I skipped to the end.
You have to use a British accent. Here we are in...
Here we are in northern Taiwan. Here we are in northern Taiwan. Rachel, you want your turn?
No.
I think you should.
No.
Spanish.
Estamos en Taiwan.
Oh, it's around your neck. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Go deeper.
Okay,
Let's go
we'll see you in a
As
second.
we take
We're
a
gonna-
deeper look into Taiwan's culture and the reasons behind this tragedy.
交还给主播。
He said he's a little hungry, but he'll stand it because of the weather.
I said.
And, yeah.
Bye bye.